10 things to speak English as well as you want. Hi, this is Jibril from Mali, West Africa. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you 10 things that can help you to speak English as well as you want. Let's jump right in. The first thing is to just listen. The first things I want to tell you is to listen to some audio, podcasts, or short video. But the first time you listen, don't repeat, don't say it out loud, just think it in your head, listen to something and just repeat in your mind. That's the effective way to help you to improve your English, because the more you listen, the better your English. Second thing is to drilling. Now, after you listen to something and repeat in your mind, the second thing is to repeat out loud. Open your mouth and repeat what you hear out loud. That's gonna help you to improve your pronunciation and your grammar. So listen to some audio podcasts and repeat what you hear. Listen to some audio, watch some videos, how native English speakers say, watch some real English conversation between native speaker and repeat what you hear. Make pause and repeat. You can listen to some audio and repeat, or watch some videos, repeat. Tip number 3 to help you speak English is the grammar count. Grammar count is like a kind of fun games that's gonna help you to improve your English, to make sure that your grammar is accurate and your speaking is accurate too, or your listening is accurate. This tip is about to count the word. You're gonna listen or watch some videos and count the words you hear. For example, if I say, what does your mom do? We have 5 words here. What does your mom do? Like things like. And tip number 4 is paraphrase. Paraphrase is to say the same thing, or to say something, the same message, the same meaning, but in different ways. So if you can say the same thing in different ways, that means your English is good. Your English is wonderful. Just listen to an audio or watch some videos, repeat what you heard, change some words or add some word to paraphrase, to say the things in different ways. For example, if I say, hey Jibril, tell me about your family, you can paraphrase that by saying, so Jibril, what's your family like? The same meaning, same thing, but we just say it this different way. Tip number 5 is the question and answer. Listen to some question and give some answer for each question. The more you can answer to those questions quickly, the better your English will be. For example, if they ask you some question, if you repeat it in 5 seconds or 8 seconds and so on, like that means your English is good, wonderful. But don't worry if you are beginner or intermediate. Make sure that you try to answer those questions, give more details, reason and examples rapidly as you can. Tip number 6 is mimicking. Mimicking is because you wanna speak English fluently, naturally, so you have to mimic or copy native English speaker. Repeat after what the native English speakers say with the same pronunciation, the same intonation. Try to say the words or repeat things as closely as you can, like native English speaker. That is the mimicking. For example, if I say, what food can you cook, you can repeat it that. And what languages do you speak, you're gonna try to repeat what languages like I say something, you gonna repeat that like native English speaker do. We have tip number 7 is the buying time. Have you ever been asked a question and you froze, you didn't know what to say? In this situation, perhaps you don't understand the question, or you don't know how to answer to the question, or you need time to think, or just like let me think. You need time to think about your answers. We have two possibilities here. So first one, you don't understand the question. Second, you can't answer the question, but you understand the question, you have no responses, or you need time to think of your answer. So the one way to resolve this problem is to ask the question. A person asks you a question, why you learn English? You answer by, why I'm learning English, because that you develop, you give your reason, example, and so on. We take time and try to give more details about this question. Tip number 8 is 5-in-1 speaking challenge. You're gonna listen to some audio podcasts or watch some videos and try to repeat after, and once you finish watching or listen to this topic or that topic or that video or the audio, you're gonna write down 5 things you learn or you heard from the videos or audio. That's gonna help you to improve your listening skills, your grammar, and yours. Tip number 9 is to run in commentary. It means you run an audio or video, you watch audio, listen to some audio, and you give your comment, make your comment about it. For example, if someone say, hello, I'm going to talk about my day, you can say, cool, let's hear it. If the person continue, today was a very busy day, I cleaned my house, I did many things, I watched the dishes, you can say, I hate watching dishes. You make your comment. It's the easy one. The last one is tip number 10 is 10-in-1 speaking challenge. You're gonna take a grammar tense or a grammar point, use that grammar point 10 times in 1 minute. For example, if we take will, feature 1, you can say to use will in 10 times or more than 10 times. You can say, so tonight I won't do anything exciting, I will stay home because on Monday I will fly to Italy, and then on Tuesday I will fly to Spain for a conference. You're gonna continue like that. Use will, and want, negative things like that 10 times in the paragraph or phrases. That's gonna help you to improve your speaking. Those are 10 things you can use them to improve your speaking. Remember that speaking is the tough one. Many English learners have this problem because they don't practice your English enough. Practice is the key. If you want to speak English, just keep practicing every single day. Use some techniques, as I've mentioned these 10 here. You can take some of them, or if you are so excited, take all of them and practice your English every single day. You're gonna see how your English gonna be.